It is time for... Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome to the channel. Alright, this one didn't... Oh man, this one didn't survive the shipment from China. Wait. Alright, that fixed the problem. Everybody loves some tape. Alright people, in today's video it's time for a new Sega Mini. But this is not our ordinary knockoff systems. Do you see the name? Do you see the name? It's time for Powkiddy. Yes people, our friends from Powkiddy China have released a new system. This time is the Super Mini MD K9. I already reviewed the K8. Check out the review when we're done with this one. Also a very funny system. I'm not going to do a comparison. This is what we're going to get. 168 games. Built in. 2 controllers. There's nothing on the box for information. No. So let's see what's inside. Alright people, what are we going to get within the package? It comes with this, I'm guessing this is something like quality pass or something like this. I really no clue. We're having the toilet paper. Oh man, I really love these toilet paper manuals. Let's see. It's not even in English. Oh my god. Alright, it comes with 2 controllers, so that's pretty damn nice. Ooh man. Do you see the other buttons move when pressing one? Oh, that is bad. That is bad. Let's see, this is a power supply, but it seems to be you're going to need an adapter for this one. It has the micro USB connection. And I must say, very long HDMI cable. And the system itself, let's see, on and off, reset. The 2 old connectors also for Atari and Mega Drive. HDMI out, micro USB for... There is no... You cannot add games, so it's just... Because it's not an add games. It's just basic charging, or charging. I mean that you can power it on. Charging. Man, oh man. Welcome back. And I have connected the system to the Elgato. And I can tell you already, it's giving 720p 60 frames output. So that is very surprising. Having the depressing song again, like always. So let's do a little quick through the list. What are we going to get? Already noticing a lot of good games. I'm noticing Subsribe 1-2, Golden Axe. Let's see what we have more. Comic Zone. So I must say the HDMI output of this thing is pretty damn nice and clear. I really love it. I'm looking at my game sound and I'm noticing there is again mono sound. So yes people. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a big bummer. They're not using stereo sound. So there are some good games, some great stuff on it. Fat Man is on it again. So what we can see here is what we're going to get. B-Mini Run. What the heck is that? So 168 games, yes, but again, not a lot of crappy games. There's Tetris on it, and even Micro Machines. Alright, let's play some games. Let's see how it's emulating, and let's see how the sound is, because I have a bad feeling about these people. Alright people, for the final conclusion, what do I think of it? So if you look at the game collection, of course it's not the best I have seen. They're always using some weird games, hack games or crappy games. But overall, the controllers are horrible. Man, these things make the system so horrible because it's unplayable. In part of the video I just started using my original Mega Drive controller, so yes, it works. The system itself, it's a funny collectible. So they used HDMI, it has mono sound. I'm more like a stereo sound guy, so I just want to have that real sound like the Mega Drive one, for example. But alright, it's not bad at all. I didn't notice some weird screen tearing, but yeah, this is what we're going to get, people. Let me know what do you think of this. Really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel.